guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 3 Lesson 22 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, record the factors of the given numbers as multiplication sentences and as a list in order from least to greatest. Classify each as prime for P or composite C. The first problem is done for you. Alright, so A, we have 8. So first thing we're doing, we're identifying the factors of 8 and writing them as multiplication sentences. So the first factor, so what we're going to do, we're going to start from 1 and work our way up to see so we don't mix any factors. So 1, of course, is a factor for every number. That's 1 times 8 equals 8. So that's how they want us to list it. Now we go to 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 doesn't go into 8. 5, 6, 7, but 4 does. But then since we already wrote 2 times 4, we don't have to rewrite it again. So our factors, write it from least to greatest, it's 1, 2, 4, and 8 itself. And so that means 8 is a composite number because it has more factors than just 1 in itself. So for a number to be a prime number, only 1 and the number itself can be the factors, meaning it has no other factors, basically. So B, we have 10. 1, we always start with 1 because 1 will always be a factor. 1 times 10 is 10. Now we go to 2. 2 can go into 10. That's 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 can't go into 10. 4, 5 can go into 10, but since we already wrote 2 times 5, we don't have to rewrite that. 6 can't go, 7 can't, 8 can't, 9 can't, and 10, we're already at 10. So factors from least to greatest are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So since it has more factors than the number 1 and 10 itself, this number is composite. Alright, let's look at C. 11. So start with 1. 1 times 11 equals 11. But let's see, since 11 is odd, so also even numbers will always be composite since 2 will always be able to go in every even number, so it will always have 2. But since 11 is odd, let's see, 2 can't go into 11, 3 can't go, 4 can't, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11. So no other numbers can go into 11 besides 11 itself and 1. So factors of 11 are 1 and 11, which means since this number only has 1 as its factor and 11 itself, this number is prime. Alright, D, 14. 1 times 14 is 14. Now let's get a 2. 2 can go into 14 7 times. So 2 times 7 is 14. See, 3 can't go into 14. 4 can't, 5 can't. So these are basically the only factors. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14 itself. So this number is composite. Then we go to E. 17, let's see, start with 1. 1 times 17 equals 17. But 2 can't go into 17, and neither can 3 or 4. So no other numbers can go into 17, which means the factors of 17 is only 1 and 17. So this number is a prime number. Alright, F, we have 20. Let's see, 1 can go. 1 times 20 equals 20. 2 can go into 20 as well. Say 2 times 10 is 20. 3 can't go into 20. 4 can also go into 20. 4 times 5 is 20. And 5, we already wrote that. 6 can't go. 7 can't. 8 can't. So these are pretty much all the factors of 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Alright, so this number is composite. G, we have 22. So 1 times 22 is 22. See, 2 can go into 22. 2 times 11 is 22. And I don't think any other numbers can go, so the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11, and 22 itself. So this number is composite. H, we have 23, so 1 will always be a factor. 1 times 23 is 23. 2 can't go because 23 is odd. 3 can't either. So these are the only factors. The factors of 23 is 1 and 23 itself, which means this number is a prime number. Alright, I, 25. 1 times 25 is 25. Let's see, 2 can't go because 25 is odd. 3 can't, 4 can't, but 5 can. 5 times 5 is 25. So these are the only factors. Factors of 25 are 1, 5, 5 again, but we don't have to write that, and 25. So this number is composite. Alright, J, we have 26. 1 will go into 26. 2 can also, because 26 is even. 2 times 13 is 26. And I don't think any other number will go into 26. So the factors of 26 are 1, 2, 13, and 26 itself. So this number is composite because it has more factors than just 1 and the number itself. Alright, K, 27. 1 can go into 27. 2 cannot go in, but 3 can. 3 times 9 is 27. Let's see, 4, 5. So no other numbers can go into 27 besides 1, 3, 9, and 27 itself. So this number is composite. Alright. L, we have 28. 1 times 28 will be 28. 2 can also go in. 2 times 14 equals 28. 3, 4 can go 7 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And I don't think there's any other number. So factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, and 28. Wait. Oh, so I'm missing 14. 14 and 28. Alright, so this number is obviously composite. Alright, next page. Number 2 says, find all the factors for the following numbers and classify each number as prime or composite. Explain your classification of each as prime or composite. So factor pairs for 19. So 1 and 19 will obviously be a pair. But let's see, 2 can't go into 19. Neither of those 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after we get after 10, or actually after 9, 10 is also too big to go into 19. So these are the only factors of 19. So 19 is a prime number, and that is because no other numbers go into 19 besides 1 and 19. Alright, let's move on to factor pairs for 21. Of course, 1 and 21. Let's see, 2 can't go in, 3 can. 3 times 7 is 21. And 4, 5, no other number can. So 21 is composite because it has more factors than 1 and itself. So that is why 21 is composite. And now for 24, 1 and 24. 2 can go to 24 because 24 is even. So 2 and 12. See, 3 can go to 24. 3 and 8. And let's see, 4. 4 can also go to 24. 4 times 6. And I don't think there's any other numbers. So 24 is obviously composite. Composite. Because it has more factors besides 1 and 24. So that's why 24 is composite. Alright, number 3 says, Brian says that only even numbers are composite. List all of the odd numbers less than 20 in numerical order. Use your list to show that Brian's claim is false. Alright, so let's list all the odd numbers less than 20. That's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So, let's see, 1 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime, but 9, 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is not prime. We can go ahead and circle or box that. 11 is prime, 13 is prime, 15 is not prime because 3 times 5 is 15. Box that. And 17 and 19 are prime. So this shows that Brian's claim is false because in the list of odd numbers less than 20, we can already find 2 numbers that are composite that are also odd, which means that when Brian says that only even numbers are composite, Brian is wrong because odd numbers can be composite too. So Brian's claim is wrong because 9 and 15 have more factors besides 1 and itself, and they are odd numbers. So that is why Brian is wrong. And number 4, Julie has 27 grapes to divide evenly among 3 friends. She thinks there will be no leftovers. Use what you know about factor pairs to explain whether or not Julie is correct. Let's see, factor pairs of 27. Right, factors of 27. We know 1 times 27 is 27. Let's see, 2 can go into 27, but 3 times 9 is 27, so 3 can go into 27. So I think these are all the factors for 27. So if you see here, 3 is a factor because 3 times 9 is 27. So if Julie is dividing 27 into 3 groups, or 3 friends, there will be no leftover because 3 will go evenly into 27 since 3 is a factor of 27. So we can write Julie is correct because, just write, since 3 is a factor of 27, it will go evenly into 27. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!